This video got 134 million views. Not believing? Look at this channel. This channel has uploaded that video, which one I have shown you. It has around 800,000 follows in just 17 videos, and in the last 30 days, it has 167 million views, $50,000 in revenue, and a thriving YouTube channel, all built using AI and YouTube Shorts. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the catch. Stick with me because I'm about to show you step by step how you can also achieve this without uploading hundreds of videos daily and without spending a fortune. In fact, you could start with nothing more than your smartphone and a dash of creativity. Let me break it down for you. YouTube Shorts is one of the biggest opportunities right now, but there's a hidden secret most creators miss. While many focus on going viral with random trends, the real winners are those who create content with a purpose. Whether it's educational, entertaining, or inspirational, that's what keeps viewers coming back for more. And here's the twist. AI tools can help you do this faster, smarter, and with a fraction of the effort. Here's the exact formula I use to generate those insane numbers. Let's break it into 3 easy steps. Step 1. Find viral-worthy ideas. First, we need content that grabs attention instantly. AI tools like ChatGPT can help brainstorm ideas. Here's an example. Type a prompt like, as you see in this picture I gave you, generate a 10-seed prompt like this. A disabled duckling helps his dog friend. In seconds, ChatGPT will give you all prompts. You can also generate story like a robot delivering motivational speeches, a butterfly teaching life lessons to kids. See? AI makes ideation a breeze. Step 2. Turn ideas into stunning visuals. Once you've got the idea, it's time to visualize it. Enter AI image generators like Leonardo AI. These tools turn your concepts into incredible visuals in minutes. For example, let's create a video about that story. Generate an image of every prompt. Just like that, you've got the visuals for your short. Step 3. Bring it to life with AI video tools. This is where the magic happens. Tools like Pixverse AI let you add motion to your images, creating animations that feel alive. Adjust the camera angles, add effects, and voila! You now have a video that's ready to captivate viewers. Creating the video is only half the battle. Let me give you 3 pro tips that will skyrocket your engagement. The hook matters. The first 3 seconds are everything. Start with a bold question or a shocking visual to grab attention. Optimize titles and tags. Use curiosity-driven titles like, "You won't believe what this dog did with duckling," and relevant hashtags to boost visibility. Consistency is key. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Posting regularly keeps your audience engaged and the algorithm happy. Now let's talk about the money. You might think YouTube Shorts don't pay much in ad revenue, but the real magic lies beyond that. Here's how that channel turned those views into $50,000 affiliate links. Add links to products or tools you use in the video description. Courses and ebooks. Use your shorts to drive traffic to your own digital products. Brand collaborations. Once you start racking up views, brands will want to partner with you. That's where the big bucks come in. So, there you have it, the roadmap to turning AI and YouTube Shorts into a goldmine. Simple, actionable, and totally doable. If you're ready to start, drop a comment below saying, "Let's do this." And here's a sneak peek at my next video. I'll reveal advanced tricks to automate the entire process and double your revenue with minimal effort. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your dream of creating a thriving channel starts now. See you in the next one.